So my turn signals on my motorcycle don't work. The little button for right and left and off rusted and broke. So I'm making a new one. A curtain rod hanger. It's a stabilizer for the middle of a curtain rod. And this is the piece that's broken. It's got a piece that comes up and out, and it's got a button on it. This little thing, the nipples, go into an actuator that turns the left turn signal, right turn signal, and then it pops in and out for off. So it has to be slotted. It has to have a slot like that. So taking this piece, match the broken. This piece sticking out right here is going to be the button. I'll figure it out. Right, so here's the part. It's going to be hard to film it and do this at the same time. That's the turn signal. It goes left, right, and then push it in to turn it off. I'll do something with that to make it a better looking button. But it works. So here it is. Left, right, right, left, and then push it in and turn it off. A little bit loose, but it works. I'm gonna do something with that to make it. Not sure yet what to do. But now I have turn signals. Much safer.